Hey there, friends! In today's video, I'll show you an incredible free AI video generator that will blow your mind. Using this tool, you can create stunning AI-generated videos or even turn your images into videos for free and without any watermarks. Excited, Stick around because I'll reveal everything step by step. Let's get started! Okay. First, head over to the website and don't worry, I'll share the name shortly. Once you are there, log in with your Google account. As soon as you are logged in, you'll get free credits to kick things off. Now, click on Create, give your project a name, and select the aspect ratio you need. After that, hit Create again. Step 2 is Start from Scratch. Once inside, click on Start from Scratch. This opens up a treasure trove of tools like text to video generator, image to video generator, video style transformation, and so much more. Let's begin with the text to video generator. All you need to do is type your prompt in the prompt box. The latest AI module will already be selected, so no extra steps needed. Step 3 is customize the video, choose the camera movement, set your video duration, and specify the number of movements. Once done, hit Create. It might take a minute or two to process the video, but trust me, it's worth the wait. By the way, if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing tutorials like this. Once the video is generated, you'll see the result. Pretty good, right? But sometimes the quality might seem a bit loud. Worry, I've got a fix for you. To enhance the video quality, click on the Enhances option. If it asks for a subscription, don't panic, here is a free workaround. Simply download your video and go back to the main page. Here, select the Video Enhancer tool. Upload your video, adjust the output settings to 4K resolution and 60 FPS for smoother playback, and hit Enhance. The result? A stunning, high-quality video with no watermark. Download it, and you are all set. Step 5 is Image to Video option. So let's explore another cool feature, the Image to Video option. Just click on it and upload any picture you like. After that, type your desired prompt. You can even use the motion brush tool to define where you want movement in your image. Then, select the camera movement, set the video duration, and click Create. The results are amazing. Download the video, and if needed, tweak it further to make it perfect. Bonus tip for my loyal subscriber to get extra credits. If you run out of free credits, don't worry. Just log in with a new Gmail account and you'll get 150 additional free credits to keep creating. And that's it. The name of this incredible tool is Morph Studio. It's super easy to use, completely free, and delivers professional quality videos without watermarks. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.